Hello everyone, in this video, we will unbox the iGulu F1 machine. The iGulu F1 packaging box has two layers. The outer box is brown. The inner box is white. Opening the inner box reveals the foam accessory layer. Removing the top layer, we can see the main unit layer. We need to lift the packaging bag to take out the machine. Opening the machine lid, we can see the fermentation keg already connected to the dispensing tube. Pinch the yellow button at the interface to easily remove the dispensing tube. We take out the fermentation keg, which contains an accessory bag. Let's take out the accessories. First, the white box in the accessory layer contains the power adapter. The power interface of the machine is at the lower end of the side back. This is the drip tray. It prevents beer from splashing all over the table. The middle part is the beer tap handle. After aligning the threads, install it on the beer tap by rotating it clockwise. In the foam accessory layer and the fermentation keg accessory bag, there is a beer dispenser each. This is the AS beer dispenser, used for 5-liter beer kegs with a specific pressure relief valve. This is the AT beer dispenser. This adapter is used for dispensing Heineken draft kegs. This is a sealing ring. We need to install it in the lower groove of the keg lid. This is the dispensing tube. When assembling and disassembling the dispensing tube, make sure to close the tube clamp first. We use it to connect the keg and the tap. The keg tube is introduced in more detail in the beer dispensing introduction video. This is the keg opener, which is an auxiliary tool for opening the keg lid. This is the carbon dioxide cylinder compatible with the machine. We will install it at the back of the machine. The carbon dioxide cylinder installation and removal are explained in more detail in the carbon dioxide cylinder installation video.